So guys, I'm a new homeowner. So this will be the first time that I'm going to change the filter of my AC, and it's like a centralized AC. And unfortunately, the filter is actually on the attic, and that's where the attic is. So how will I get up there? I don't need to use stairs. I mean, I have to, but the stairs is actually here. There you go. Oops. So here's the stairs, guys. But let me just turn off the camera so I can pull this down. So guys, here's the stairs going to the attic. So let me just go up. And here's the filter. So guys, if you're wondering what does the attic or the ceiling of the houses here in the US looks like, it's basically like this. The water pipes are, it's weird because they're actually here on the attic. So that's the reason why, if you remember the storm Harvey that hits Texas, there are like some water pipes that bursted because it got frozen. I think this is the water heater. And then on this side is actually my this is where I'm going to change the filter. I'm not sure what they actually call this white thing, but I think it helps to keep the house warm during winter. So it's totally different because, like, in the house, in our house in the Philippines, we don't usually go on the ceiling, and basically I think most household doesn't even have like ceilings, like the plywood or the wood. It's just the roof itself, so you can actually hear the rain when it's raining. So guys, I'm a first-time homeowner, so just give me an excuse if I'm not doing it the right way, or I'm not doing it the way how you easily do things. I'll eventually figure out how to do things. This is one of those things that we should learn as new immigrants in this country, and that we just need to adjust and do things how they do it here, because basically this is how the houses are built here. So guys, here's my centralized AC, and I think this is where the filter is. So let me see how to, oops. So here you go. There are just things that we don't really do back home that we have to learn how to do things here. Well, back home we don't have AC. So here you go, guys. I can do this. There you go, guys. So they said I have to do this every 3 months. So I just changed the filter of my AC here. And I don't know how to put this back. So guys, here's that old filter that I just replaced. So let me go back down now, because my back is hurting because I need to bend here. Oh, kind of feel short of breath. But here you go, guys. I did it. Adulting 101. So I did it. So I'll do it again after 3 months. See you down. So now it's time to close the attic door. I don't know if I can still do this if I'm already 60 or 70 years old, or probably I would probably be in a nursing home by that time. But this is like the first time I ever change the filter of my AC. This is the second time that I went up on the attic. The first time is when the builder told me on how to replace it. There you go, guys. So who would have thought that there's something up there? Okay, it's time to clean up my mess. So bye.